I am just finishing up my long run for this week. It was a 14-mile long run, and I was really happy that I was able to keep up with all of the hills on this run. One of them in particular, I'm really proud of myself for. It was like almost a 10-minute uphill run, and I was able to maintain running uphill for about that long, all while staying in my heart rate range. So I was really happy about that, really proud of the progress that I made. I remember when I first started running in the area, maybe almost 3 years ago, a hill like that I would have had to walk up because I wouldn't be able to keep my heart rate down, just because of the challenge of a hill so high like that. But I ran it, so that was great. It's a testament to the hill training that I've been doing during the week. I usually do hill training once a week. Then I'll do like a tempo run the other day, because I run 3 days, Tuesdays, Thursdays, for about 30 minutes. And this on the weekend, either a Saturday or Sunday, I'll do a long run. But I also started doing, like maybe 2 weeks ago, I think, like a 1 mile, really light run during the week too, just to get a tiny bit of extra running in. And I haven't seen any change in like tiredness because of it. So really happy about that. I think in total for this week I've done maybe 21 miles. Nutrition wise, I would say everything is pretty much the same. I eat about a little over 2,000 calories a day. Today I did try something new. I tried collagen protein, and the brand was Vital, I think it was like Vital Peptides or something like that. Comes in like a blue package, and I liked it because it was unflavored and you could put it in hot drinks. So I poured it in my coffee this morning and I stirred it up, and to be honest, I could taste that there was like a slight something different, but that was it. Not enough to not make me enjoy my coffee like I usually do. So I thought that was great. And I tried it because I've been reading a couple articles about osteoarthritis. And if you've been following my other videos, you know that I have arthritis in my big toe. So I decided to, why not supplement with the collagen peptide, because that helps. Apparently that helps with osteoarthritis, reduce inflammation, increase mobility in the joint, and increase flexibility and strength. So I trying that today. It's day 1. I'm gonna do it as recommended before a long run. So today was perfect. Other than that, everything else was the same. I still did my strength training routine Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and that's it. As always, I'll try to keep these videos short, so I will stop right there. And see you next time. Maybe I'll catch you out in these fitness running streets. Until next time.